Imagine a world where machines are capable of creating art, writing novels, or composing symphonies. Does this signify the end of human creativity? Or does it hold the promise of a new era, where human ingenuity collaborates with artificial intelligence, unleashing unprecedented possibilities? Consider the story of Demis Hassabis. As a child prodigy in chess and later a scholar in neuroscience, Hassabis always maintained a keen interest in artificial intelligence. His journey led to the co-founding of DeepMind, an AI company that aims to solve intelligence and then use that to solve everything else. His innovative approach to AI, combining techniques from machine learning and systems neuroscience to build powerful general-purpose learning algorithms, is a testament to human creativity's indispensable role in the age of AI. Demis Hassabis' story exemplifies the power of human creativity and innovation, even in a world increasingly shaped by machines. His work with DeepMind, including creating an AI system capable of teaching itself to play and master games like chess and Go, demonstrates the potential of AI when guided by human insight and creativity. While AI can generate stories and characters, it often lacks the emotional depth and connection that human creativity brings to narratives. AI's influence on writing is evident in the emergence of new forms and genres. However, platforms like AI Dungeon, while showcasing AI's potential in shaping the creative process, also highlight the need for human intuition and creativity in crafting compelling narratives. This brings us back to our initial question: does AI herald the end of human creativity? Or does it merely open a new chapter, where human creativity collaborates with artificial intelligence to create unimagined possibilities? The India Live Study channel offers more insights into the fascinating world of AI and e-learning. Explore the latest advancements in artificial intelligence, stay updated, and join in the journey of discovery. AI has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives, from performance management to personalized learning and development programs, from automating tasks to promoting employee engagement. However, alongside these advancements, emotional intelligence remains crucial. Traits like collaboration, effective leadership, adaptability, superior customer service, and ethical decision-making are attributes that AI, as of now, cannot replicate. In the age of AI, human creativity and emotional intelligence continue to hold their ground. They remain irreplaceable in storytelling, leadership, and decision-making. So, tune into the India Live Study channel to dive deeper into the world of AI and e-learning. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated with the latest insights. See you in our next video. Good morning with Artificial Intelligence India. Together, let's navigate the exciting journey of AI and e-learning. Best of luck for the future journey.